Alright, how to remove the grill on a Mazda 6. This is a 2005. Really easy. You've got two Phillips head bolts. One here, one here. Couple of tips. Make sure you get the right sized head that fits in there. And two, you may want to hit it with a little bit of penetrating fluid because they can get stuck and seized in there pretty good. And if you strip them out, you're screwed. So you'd have to grind them off or do something else to get them out. So make sure you got the right sized Phillips head and hit them with a little penetrating fluid, and then they'll come right out. Okay, once those bolts are removed, you've got 4 tabs in there. You want to kind of wiggle and pull out, up and out towards you. Just pull those tabs out, wiggle them out, and there you go. You have successfully removed the grill on a Mazda 6. So if this helps somebody out, go ahead, help the channel out, subscribe, like, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.